Hello everyone, do you want to create multiple pivot tables from same Excel data? So let's start. So first select the entire data. You just drag with the mouse and you can select here entire data. And the second way, select the inside the cell of this data and press the shortcut key Ctrl A to select entire data. After that, go to the Insert tab. In Tables group, click on the Pivot Tables option. Then click on the From Table or Range option. And here the dialog box is opened. And here the range automatically selected. And choose where you want the pivot table to be placed. So I select the first option, New Worksheet, and then click on OK. And you can see the sheet number 2 here added to create pivot table. Now right inside pivot table fields. So now here I select the date and total cells. And you can see the pivot table created. To create multiple pivot tables, select the first pivot table entire, then press the shortcut key Ctrl C. Then select here the blank cell to create second pivot table. So select this one and press here the shortcut key Ctrl V. And here you can see second pivot table here added. Now select the inside this second pivot table, and after that in right hand side in pivot table fields, I deselect this date and select here salesperson. Again, I select the here second pivot table and select the sale, paste. Now I select the third pivot table, and in right hand side in pivot table fields, I deselect the salesperson. Now here I select the category. Okay. Again, I select the pivot table and select the sale and paste here. Now here I select the order ID and deselect the category, add the unit, and it's done. You can see here the 4 pivot table created from the same data. The first pivot table showing the date with the sales amount, and second pivot salesperson with the sales amount. Third is category with the sales amount, and fourth one order ID, sales amount, and unit. So you can analyze all the thing, and if you want to edit it, you can edit a particular pivot table. If you want to refresh it, just click on any pivot table. So I click on the inside this pivot table first one. After that, go to the pivot table analysis tab, and here in data group, you can see the refresh option. You just click on the refresh and pivot table will refresh. You just click on this drop down arrow, and to refresh all pivot table, click on the refresh all. So all pivot table here refresh. And here the one bonus tip, I just go to the sheet number 1, and if you want to add here data more and you want to all this added data updated in your all pivot table, then first convert your data into table. So click on the inside this data and press here the shortcut key Ctrl plus T, and here the small dialog box open, create table. Click on OK, and here your data converted in table. Now just add here your row. So I just add one order ID here, 1 to 1. Okay, then add date. Okay, then I press the enter and just go back in sheet number 2. And you can see in fourth pivot table order ID lead showing, but here the 1 to 1 not yet updated. So for update the data is click on the inside the pivot table. So I click on this inside the pivot table, and after that go to the pivot table analysis tab, and here just click on the refresh option. click on the refresh all because here I already created multiple pivot table. So here I click the refresh all to update all pivot table. Now you can see order ID 1 to 1 added, sales amount added, unit also added. Okay. So that's it. This is a way you can create multiple pivot table from same data. If you like this video, subscribe my channel. Thank you.